The original AI, your brain has guardrails too. When people talk about AI guardrails, they imagine invisible walls, rules, filters, boundaries that prevent dangerous outputs. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain has them too, and you didn't install them. They were installed for you. Before you ever formed a political opinion, before you chose a religion, before you decided what is normal, before you defined good and evil. Neuroscience shows that the human brain is not a neutral processor of reality. It is a prediction machine. Researchers like Carl Friston describe the brain using the predictive processing model. The brain constantly predicts what it expects to see and then updates based on error signals. In simple terms, you don't see the world as it is. You see the world as your brain expects it to be. That expectation framework is your internal parameter set. Just like AI models are trained on massive datasets, your brain is trained on family belief systems, cultural norms, language structures, early emotional experiences, trauma, education, media exposure. By age 7, much of your core pattern recognition system is already shaped. Those are your base weights. Now let's talk guardrails. In AI systems, guardrails prevent outputs that are unsafe or socially harmful. In humans, guardrails are cognitive and emotional constraints that prevent behavior that threatens survival or social belonging. Fear is a guardrail, shame is a guardrail, guilt is a guardrail. Tribal loyalty is a guardrail. The amygdala fires before logic kicks in. Your nervous system reacts before your conscious mind explains. Evolution optimized your brain not for truth, but for survival. That means your brain filters reality to maintain physical safety, social acceptance, internal consistency. The third one is the most dangerous. Internal consistency means your brain resists information that contradicts your identity. Psychologists call this cognitive dissonance. When confronted with information that challenges your belief system, your brain doesn't calmly evaluate it. It defends itself, it rationalizes, it dismisses, it attacks the source. Your guardrails activate, just like an AI refusing restricted content. Now here's where it gets deeper. Neuroplasticity research shows that the brain can rewire itself. Parameters can update, beliefs can shift, new neural pathways can form. But updating parameters requires discomfort. When you expose yourself to new ideas, cultures, disciplines, or philosophies, your prediction model breaks temporarily. That discomfort you feel when your worldview is challenged. That's your internal guardrail flickering. Most people retreat at that point. Few people override it. Children ask dangerous questions. Adults stop asking them. Why? Because social conditioning strengthens the guardrails over time. Society rewards conformity more than curiosity, safety over exploration. And yet, the greatest breakthroughs in science, philosophy, and art happened when someone temporarily disabled their mental guardrails. Galileo questioned cosmology, Einstein questioned time, the Buddha questioned identity. They didn't remove all safety, they questioned their base parameters. So here's the real Frangetian's question: are your thoughts truly yours? Or are they the output of a model trained by your environment, optimized for belonging and survival? If AI must be aligned for safety, then humans must be conscious of their own alignment. Because an unconscious mind is just a biological algorithm running inherited code. The difference between you and AI is not that you have guardrails, it's that you can examine them. You can observe your fear, you can question your anger, you can analyze your loyalty. You can rewrite your narrative. Neuroscience calls this metacognition. The ability to think about thinking. It's linked to activity in the prefrontal cortex. It's what allows self-reflection, ethical reasoning, and intentional change. In other words, humans can debug themselves, but only if they choose to. So next time you criticize AI for being biased, limited, or restricted, ask yourself, what are your parameters? Who trained your dataset? What outputs are you refusing to generate? What truths are you filtering? And the ultimate question, are your guardrails protecting you or imprisoning you? Nesh King Fringetians.